From the quiet fields at dawn, the journey of the perfect watermelon begins. Carefully selected and gently harvested by hand. Fresh harvest on its way to become something refreshing. Into the heart of the factory.
Keep her steady now, straight ahead. All right, reverse back slowly to the dock.
This is where the magic of turning fresh watermelon into delicious popsicles truly begins. Every day, dedicated workers enter to maintain the highest standards. Strict hygiene protocols ensure every popsicle is safe and pure. Stepping into the heart of the production ecosystem.
All right, lift them steady onto the belt. Keep it rolling, watch for bumps.
From field to factory line, the transformation begins. From exterior to the first critical processing stage. Constant monitoring ensures perfect quality at every step. Hundreds of watermelons carefully sorted for popsicle perfection. Freshly arrived watermelons now begin their journey deeper into the facility. Thoroughly washed to remove every trace of the field. Dried and prepared for the next stage of processing. The freshly washed watermelons now enter the critical sorting stage. Every watermelon is inspected for perfection. Advanced systems sort them by size for uniform quality. Excess moisture is removed before cutting.
This one has deep red potential.
Confirmed. The field spot is right.
Approved. Placing it on the belt.
Human expertise combined with technology for the highest standard. Dried and prepared for the next stage of processing.
This one has a soft spot.
Only the best watermelons are chosen for popsicle production. Moving efficiently toward the heart of the transformation. Ready to be opened and transformed. Fresh watermelon. Halved and ready for juicing. Fresh watermelon, halved and ready for juicing. The sweet essence of watermelon is now being extracted. Pure watermelon juice collected for the next transformation. Pure watermelon juice ready for the next stage of popsicle creation. Pure watermelon juice now enters the core processing stage. Balanced sweetness is added to enhance the natural watermelon flavor.
Adding sugar and syrup now. Monitor the ratios.
Increasing agitation, mix is integrating well. Stabilizers and natural flavors are perfectly blended. The mixture is filtered for smooth, seedless texture. Gentle pasteurization ensures safety without losing freshness. Cooled and aged to develop the perfect popsicle texture. The perfected mixture is distributed to the molding stations. Ready to take shape as delicious watermelon popsicles. The perfected watermelon mixture is now carefully filled into molds for freezing. The popsicles begin their rapid freezing process.
The coating is rapidly set for perfect texture and appearance.
A delicious, protective, and flavorful coating is applied.
The frozen popsicles now enter the main transformation stage.
Natural toppings are added for extra flavor, texture, and visual appeal.
Each popsicle is individually wrapped for hygiene, freshness, and protection.
Popsicles are efficiently grouped together for family and retail packaging.
Beautiful branded cartons are filled with refreshing watermelon popsicles.
Cartons are securely sealed to maintain freshness during distribution. Every carton receives complete labeling and traceability codes.